Hello student. This week our new song assignment is Rain Dance Iona. Let's work a D minor warm-up. La, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, mi, la. And the singing pattern for this song is do, la, mi, la, do, la, mi, la. And the second pattern is do, mi, re, do, mi, re. And the last pattern is the same, which is do, la, mi, la, do, la, mi, la. This song has a very interesting form, and each section is 3 measures, and we have, it goes like this. Hey, 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 Iona, that's measure 1. Hey, 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 Iona, 2. Hey, 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 Iona. I'll call this section A. Now it's going to change to the section B, which is a little longer measure, like this. Hey, Iona, hey, away, Iona. That's 1. Hey, Iona, hey, away, Iona. Hey, Iona, hey, away, Iona. Those are 3 measures of section B. And now we go back to A again for 3 measures. Hey, hey, Iona. Hey, hey, Iona. Hey, hey, Iona. That's 3 measures. And now we're going to go to the bridge. And I will call this section C bridge, because we have A, B, A, and C will go like this. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey Iona. And that's your bridge. And then we're going to go back to, I have to say this is like an A1 because it's very similar to your A section, but just a little different. Hey, oh, hey, away, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. That's 2. Hey, away, Iona. That's 3 measures. Then after that, there's an N for 1 measure. It's like this. Hey, away. Okay, so the whole song will go like this. Hey, hey, Iona. Hey, hey, Iona. Hey, hey, Iona. Hey, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Hey, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Hey, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Hey, hey, Iona. Hey, hey, Iona. Hey, hey, Iona. Bridge. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Last measure. Hey, away.